Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and guess what guys? Guess who else has a collection of the reflective gel polishes? Aimeili, that's right. So here's the package of, there are 12 different colors in here from Aimeili. I wanted to show you what the package looks like. This collection is available on Amazon, so I will have the link down in the description bar for you guys to check it out. And here we go. So you can see how nicely packaged these are here, and included in this particular package, don't know that, so you will have a pamphlet here, a short pamphlet, and show you how to do the gel application. You have instructions in different languages if you're new to applying gels. In this particular package, they included a nice little gift of these beautiful peacock feather decals, and I plan to use these on the design that I'm going to show you at the end. So let's go ahead and take these out of the packaging. Okay guys, so here there are all 12 of them. Just to let you know, so each bottle is identified with a color sticker here, and the name, or the color is with a number rather than a name. So the first one that I'm holding here is 238. They go in order from 238 to 249 is the last one in this collection. These bottles are 8 ml. There they are. And here's the back. So again, it's more of a medium-sized bottle, not quite a mini or a full size in the 10 or 15 ml. I'm going to bring you up close so you can see the gorgeous shimmer or the glitter on these gels. Okay, so I'm starting with the first two here, number 239 and 238. So to show you what that's that gorgeous gold out of the bottle, and this gorgeous pink. Oh my gosh, stunning pink, red. If you want it, you can put it in the color red range, color range. These gels, they do have the base, so the bases on these are, they have the color as you can see, and then it is the color is even more pronounced with the glitters. Take a look at that, absolutely stunning. This is yet without, you know, any, let me try different lighting. There you go. So yes, I did 2 coats for everything, and these are finished with a gel top coat. Now let me grab another set of colors. Okay, so here I have 240 through 244. Take a look at the gorgeous colors. These, for some reason, they seem more like in the pastel family. Oh my gosh. This one's more of a pink, number 240. I hate to turn these sideways. I don't want to spill anything. Number 241, a pretty lilac. I love the color range that Aimeili put together here for this collection of 12 reflective glitters. This one is a very, it's a very pale pink, very beautiful, like a blush pink. Then we also have, you can say this is a, you know, like a yellow or very like gold, not as bright yellow as the first one. And 244, I love this one. It's a green. Look at that. Just so pretty. But yeah, for some reason these 5, they tend to, to me they look very pastel-y. Take a look. And yes, I will have these in the reflective mode here soon for you. Let's take a look at the other group of colors. Okay, so in this set we have some cool colors, very classy here with the silver. So actually I'm going to say this one right here, 245, is more of a gray. There it is. Yes, it looks silver. It's got some blues in there as well, some glitters that shimmer blue. Hence the reason for that label right there. And then number 246 is a beautiful aqua color, light blue. The 247, that's what I will say, this one right here is what I will call a true silver. Let me show you out of the bottle. That's what that looks like. Stunning. Yes, that's bright silver. 248, yeah, well, so it looks black on the label, but you can say it's a dark gray. It could be a black. You can put it over black. I have put it over black. These do still reflect over solid if you apply them over solid colors. But you can see I wanted to swatch them like this over nothing, so you can see these actually do have the base, the formula does have some kind of color. And this one, number 249, I do like this one as well. Oh, look at that color. I guess you can say it's a, I don't know, a brown, a light brown. Take a look at it right there. How gorgeous is that? Alright guys, so this is what I decided to do with my nails. This is what happens when you're undecided on the colors that you want. Yeah, I originally wanted to go with the blue and green, but those are the colors that I practically just removed from my nails. So I went with these. This red is so gorgeous. It's more like, I'm calling it like a strawberry red. I decided to pair that with the decals here, and these decals really, they had like a white trim around them, so I ended up, this is why you see that. I ended up removing the white with acetone, and then I went over with the blue, that pretty turquoise, over the decals just to include some glitter in there. You'll notice that on the pictures at the end. And then on my left hand I went with the gold. Check it out. Which do you prefer? Do you have a favorite? Let's see. I know there's nice contrast here with between the gold and the blue, but this is pretty too on my right hand because the feathers, they have a little bit of red in there. So that is it, you guys. Remember that I will have the links down in the description bar below. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Aimeili for sending me this gorgeous collection to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.